Hey guys. Welcome to Grow Your Business, where we give you the best free tips to help grow your business. Today, we will be talking about email marketing and the best free email marketing tools to help you grow your business. Email marketing is a strong marketing channel that uses email to advertise your company's products or services. It is a kind of direct marketing as well as digital marketing. By incorporating it into your marketing automation efforts, you may assist your consumers learn about your newest products and offers. Through various kinds of marketing emails, it may also play an important role in your lead generation, brand recognition, relationship development, or customer engagement strategy. Over time, new marketing trends and channels are developed and implemented. Email is a channel that has stayed mostly unchanged throughout the years, despite occasional passing fads. Email is still the most popular medium for content marketing, regardless of whether the audience is B2C or B2B. B2B marketers and B2C marketers alike utilize it to build relationships with their customers. Your other marketing channels like social media can benefit from it as well. In spite of this, email marketing is still riddled with difficulties that are difficult for marketers to overcome. When it comes to creating a beautiful email, one of the biggest problems is just how long it takes to do it. You may wind up spending hours developing and sending out emails that don't exactly seem spectacular if you lack the right tools. This reduces efficiency and, as a result, the return on your email marketing investment. Many businesses are content with the current state of affairs because they are unwilling to make the investment in a product that would make things easier. There are a number of email marketing solutions out there that don't require a lot of money. You may save time and money by using free email marketing solutions. Let's have a look at the 11 best free email marketing tools. Number 1. HubSpot Email Marketing. One of the most popular marketing automation platforms, HubSpot, just announced an email marketing service that can handle a lot of the transactional email demands of small businesses. It doesn't matter if you need to send thank you emails after a customer purchases, or if you just want to promote your existing campaigns, HubSpot Email Marketing's free version can accomplish that. The simplicity of use of HubSpot's free email service is one of its most appealing features. Using the program is a breeze thanks to the drag-and-drop visual editor and the numerous pre-built templates. The integrated connectivity with other HubSpot solutions, such as the free Forever CRM, is what really sets HubSpot email marketing apart. Both tools are included in your subscription so that you can manage and track the performance of your email campaigns from a single location. Number 2. Sender. In terms of free email marketing solutions, Sender is one of the finest out there. There are no HTML skills required to use this program. Select a design and then add photos, videos, and text to make it your own. If you want to make an even larger effect on your subscribers, you may even customize your newsletters. Its powerful analytics function is one of the reasons why Sender is in our list. Using this tool, you can see who has viewed and clicked on your emails and links, as well as when they were accessed. By analyzing the behavior of your subscribers, you may create precise buyer profiles and create more attractive offers. Number 3. Sendinblue. For email marketing, Sendinblue has a variety of capabilities, including customer relationship management and landing page design tools. Sendinblue's email design features are simple to use, with more than 70 pre-made layouts to choose from. You can preview your design on any screen size to make sure it appears exactly how you want it to on any device. In addition to designing your email, you can utilize capabilities like A/B testing and segmented recipient lists to make it easier to target your ideal customers. Number 4. OmniSend. E-commerce marketing platform OmniSend brings all of your communication channels together into a single interface. Email is all that's included with the free plan, which is more than adequate for small and medium-sized enterprises. You may use behavioral triggers to automate email distribution and simply schedule your emails for the convenience of your consumers. Sending more relevant email marketing messages is easy when you have access to all of your audience's behavior data in one place. The product picker, which allows you to pick all the goods you wish to include in your email, is an excellent time-saving function for creating eye-catching newsletters. You may also add scratch cards, discount coupons, and gift boxes in your emails to increase their effectiveness. Number 5. Sendpulse. In spite of its claim to be a multi-channel marketing platform, the most popular element of Sendpulse is its email marketing toolkit. A drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to alter a plethora of pre-made email themes. You may then automate the sending of these personalized emails depending on user behavior, event triggers, and other factors. And so on. When it comes to identifying your most important customers, Sendpulse subscriber rating tool comes in handy. Each subscriber's open and click rates may be analyzed, as well as their read and unread rates. Your emails may be personalized by gender, date of birth, age, and work function by setting up replaceable text fields. Number 6. Benchmark email. In order to create responsive emails that look fantastic on any device, you should consider using Benchmark Email as an email marketing solution. If you need to include photographs in your email, you may do it directly from the platform. Using the email editor, you may personalize your message by adding effects, stickers, and even your own content. Numerous pre-designed themes based on industry, kind, and occasion are at your disposal. You can also utilize the code editor to construct emails from scratch if you're more HTML aware. This feature makes it much easier to create emails since you can see your design as you're altering it. Number 7. MailChimp. You've probably heard of MailChimp, a leading email marketing platform. Email creation and scheduling are among the functions included in their free plan. The Smart Suggestions feature of this email marketing tool is what sets it apart as a top-notch solution for email marketing campaigns. Using the Content Manager, you may save your photos and files for convenient access while designing emails on the platform. You can effortlessly send out welcome emails, order confirmations, abandoned cart reminders and more with the help of MailChimp's automation features. Number 8. MailerLite. MailerLite stands out from the rest of the free email solutions on the market thanks to features like the landing page builder and the pop-up customizer. A powerful text editor and an integrated photo editor are included in the program, in addition to the essentials like a drag-and-drop email builder. You may enhance your conversion rates by creating responsive landing pages that correspond to the emails you send. There are a number of ways you can conduct split tests on your email to evaluate what performs best. You may also get a detailed campaign report from MailerLite, which includes metrics like the click-through and unsubscribe rates, as well as the open and click-through rates. Number 9. MailJet. MailJet's email marketing tools are easy to use and collaborative, allowing you to create powerful campaigns. Any of the pre-designed templates may be modified to generate responsive emails that will amaze any recipient, no matter what device they're using. Working in a group will be a breeze because to the platform's real-time collaboration functionality. In addition to dynamic content, this email marketing solution allows you to customize your emails for each recipient. As a consequence, your email marketing initiatives will perform significantly better. The software may also be integrated into your CRM, making it simple to manage your email list from one place. Number 10. Moosend. You may save time and money by using Moosend, an effective email marketing solution that automates repetitive processes. Based on your subscribers' information and/or activity, you may create personalized email messages that are tailored to their interests. In order to increase open and click-through rates, as well as ROI, you may utilize its smart segmentation capability. Using this tool, you can receive an in-depth look into the success of your campaigns and figure out how to make them even more effective. It can even be integrated with some of your favorite apps so that essential information can be smoothly transferred between them. One of the few free email marketing tools that doesn't put its own logo in your emails is a feature of this service. Number 11. Email Octopus. On the Amazon SES platform, Email Octopus is a basic email marketing tool. A lot more emails each month are allowed with this plan, but it doesn't have as many features as some of the other free tools on our list. You are allowed to send an infinite number of emails from any number of different email addresses. Because of this, it is ideal for small businesses or entrepreneurs looking to represent other companies. As a result, you can easily share client data between multiple platforms like MailOptin, WordPress, and Zapier. There is no need to subscribe to a premium account to use most of these free email marketing tools. Using these tools effectively and efficiently should be possible for small firms and marketers alike. Many of the premium plans are reasonable and adaptable enough to match your budget even if you need to upgrade to meet your company's requirements. We have now come to the end of this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.